Click Help to check connection information. First of all, we need to remove the CAS3 module of the vehicle. CAS3 module is under the steering wheel. We're gonna need a CAS3 module, 20-pin cable, OBP/ICP adapter, BIV key adapter, ACDP host, CAS3 copper pillar, CAS3 interface board, BDN adapter, a walk key and a new blank key. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the CAS3 interface board. Lock the board with copper pillar. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect OBP/ICP adapter and the BDN adapter. Then connect BDN adapter and the CAS3 interface board. Connect ACDP host and the power. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose CAS1 to 4. Choose CAS3, CAS3 Plus. Choose the ICP mode. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the mask ID is. Then select option based on mask ID. My chip's ID is OL15Y, so I'm gonna choose the first one. Choose Amendment O. Choose Step 1. Read the CAS date. Follow the previous step to connect ACDP host, BDN adapter and the CAS ECU. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test point. Check the vehicle information. Please save the original CAS3 date. Choose Step 2, General Dealer Keys. Click Add Key. Connect the ACDP and the BMW adapter according to the diagram and put in the blank key. Check the key information. Choose the original CAS3 date. Check the vehicle information. Remove the blank key and put in the walk key. Check the walk key information like ISN, VIN, key ID. Take out the walk key. Put in the blank key again. Choose the key channel we deleted in the previous step. I'm gonna choose key 1. We have a detailed video